Hello family, thank you so much. Nindakugeithia miaraho ino ya umuthi. Wi mwega. Thengi ni tondu uri ukoretwo uri teithio munene hari ni ugetikira gukorwo kini support. Ondarehe video ugakorwo kirorera na nituthiete wega muno. Ngai witu aromurathima and I don't take that for granted. Thengi ni tondu wa gukorwo mwi support nene. Muigwe ndimucokerie ngatho hari hothe muri na Ngai witu ona inywe atume kuria mutindaga ona inywe haso cianyu kana kuria mutindaga Ngai arotuma ona inywe muteithike na ro mutumira uteithio from every side. Ngatho cia mwanya ni inywe mukoretwo mukinyandikira muka nyandikira message mugetekira kuhurira thimu Ngai amurathime na inywe mukoretwo nginya mugisupport andu aria othe tukoretwo tukirehe haha Ngai amurathime na mwike wega ni tondu ni mukoretwo mukimateithia na mukamonia you are still part of the living society na ona makaigua ni mateithikite Ngai aromurathima na inywe ri mutikana nyitwo ni mathina ta maria tumurehagira haha muthie mukihoyaga Ngai arotuma rucio rwanyu rukorwo rwi rwega. Na muthenya wa umuthi ni ndagicoka na nguthaitha we uta subscribe witirigo subscribe Keri Jijo official na wewe hau ungienda hihi gukorwo wina rugano rwaku no wende twaranirie nawe itikira guka nigetha twaranirie nawe tiga kwimena tiga kuyaga. There is a solution for everything na ni Ngai utumaga maundu mothe magirire ihinda ria muri akinya koguo ngukunyita ugeni wikare hau na ithuĩ nginya hindi ria turirikia rugano ruru ni rugano rwina kieha na ruo ruingi muno rwa umuthi mwana gukorwo aciaritwo aciari ake magakorwo matiriho agathii uguo harakati-ini cia muturire agicaria o igiririku akagia mwana agatigwo ni itha wa mwana agacoka niwe uroretwo iguru thiini wa muturire wa wothe akarorwo iguru ni kairitu kanini na gakoretwo tukiaria nako gakanjira nie Keti ni ndakinya mwisho nie haria ndakinya riu ni ndiraigua ndikuhota ndie na hinya ungi gakera tiga kumakacuhirira o hau just hang on there ikara o hau witikitie ati Ngai ni eguka na muturire waku ni gucenjia na muthenya wa umuthi ndona ndimuhe platform ino nigetha ahote kuyaria na ahote kuiturura. It is part of a healing na ni therapeutic kwaria ni gukorwo akihota kuhona na despite mathina mothe maria marakorwo makigererwo ni andu angi na moritu ma economy uria makoretwo mahana Ngai ni njui ni egucenjia rugano rwake na ni ekumuteithia koguo ngwenda wikare o hau sorry tuthikiririe rugano ru twi hamwe na inywe na because you are a family and you are part of maundu maya twikaga itikira tuguthikiriria rugano ruru kuma ritwa rwambiriria nginya turirikia. Ngai akurathime na gwike wega na ni njui maundu ni megucenjia. Nancy sasa kopoa riu ri guku nikuo gwa Keri Jijo guku nikuo tukaga na tugakiaria na andu aria monete ta maundu mathiete makahanika ta muturire urituhire muno na ni njui wi hau thiini wa bracket icio ni tondu ni uhurire thimu na tugathondeka mahinda na tukaga gukorwo twi hamwe tukinyitana no riu muthenya wa umuthi Ngai ni etikira guthondeka muthenya uyu and I know that your life will never be the same again. Ni ugereire mathina maingi muno maria ugutwira twina muthikiriria nigetha tumamenye na ni ndiretikia ati Ngai ni eguthondeka muturire waku. It will never be the same again. Ni nyonete Ngai agithondekera andu muturire ngona akimathakariria so why not you ona kendari ariganirwo niwe and I want you to hold on there. I want you to have faith ati muturire waku nduguthira no Ngai ni ekuutua uriendaga kuutua. So ngwenda urore kamera iria ugeithie mwiroreri wa Keri Jijo official umwire maritwa maku kuri uciareirwo nigetha tucoke tuthii na mbere.
Murega thikiriria Keri Jijo he maritwa ni Nancy Waithera Mwangi njiareirwo mwena wa Naikuru uguo niguo nderirwo kuu nikuo ndaciareirwo and niguo muria mu subscribe to Keri Jijo channel and welcome as you listen to us. Thank you
so much. Ndaigua wauga uciarirwo Naikuru kuu nikuo werirwo uciareirwo so you are not sure kotari sure kwanyu niku
ndire sure about it tondu rugano rwakwa rwa guciarwo ni rwa kuheo ndiagire na chance yo ya gukorwo na mam one on one twaranirie nake so niki
gitumi gia gukorwo waciarwo what happened?
Okay.
O gukirwo uria wiragwo. Yes, that is your story.
Yeah. Niĩ ngĩrwo njĩragwo ndaciarirwo nĩ my mom. And at some point my mom nĩandeire.
Oh God.
Yeah. Okay, ndiũĩ kana that time makiuga kana they are supposed to mean children's home kana juvenile, because nĩnjĩragwo at some point nĩndaikarire juvenile and ndĩ kũu ndarĩ hakuhĩ kwa doctor nĩ mũndũ ũngĩ. Juvenile,
what do you mean by juvenile?
Okay, to them rĩu ndikĩũĩ kana they meant a children's home. My grandmother kana they meant a children's home kana juvenile, but that is the word they ever used on it. So nĩndakorirwo ndĩ juvenile kũu ngĩikara. I was about to be adopted. My grandmother agiuka, koguo niĩ nderetwo nĩ cũcũ. Yeah. Niĩ kuona my mom ndamuonire twice. One time okĩte mathiko ma brother yake and ndaikarire, nĩacokire agĩthiĩ, of which njĩragwo she wrote a letter, andĩkire marũa akiuga nĩaretwo anga nĩ cibũ anga kũ Naikuru, because she didn't want to stay kwa cũcũ rĩu. Atũrĩte ikarĩte na kũu. So agĩthiĩ, and the second time I saw my mom nilimuona kwa sanduku.
Oh God.
Yeah. At that time nilikuwa, that is 2000. Nilimuona kwa sanduku. That is the last time I saw her. And the second time, yeah.
Mutiaragia hindi no kakuo mathiko ma brother yake, mutiaragia kana mutie korirwo mwaria?
Hapana, tu kuongea na mom. After mathiko ithuĩ nĩtwacoka cukuru. So one day nĩndĩraririkana nĩndokire lunch ngĩkora my mom thutha wa nyũmba akĩrĩra. She really was crying. Ngĩmũria nĩkĩ, akĩnjĩra I don't know, cũcũ nĩaramunegenera, guka nĩaramunegenera and all that. So I think that is why she planned to leave again, tondũ mami ndareikara mũciĩ. Ngĩrwo ndareikara mũciĩ. Mami atuciarĩte twĩ 7 kids and I happen to be the last born of the family. So 2 of my brothers nĩmahurũkĩte, first born na fourth born na sijui. So saizi tuko 5 of us. The 5 of us, 2 of my brothers, I don't know where they are.
Oh God.
Because we don't communicate. We don't communicate. Okay, my sister is there. My sister, nitwaragia nake. Na she looks upon me. Dari wira ako apa Karura Forest wauma Kikope. That is where she stays. So niwe uraikaraga na my sister. I have a disabled sister. Niwe 6 and then mimi sasa nini ndimushokete. So my sister is disabled. Na she as well suffers epilepsy. Na ndĩraikaraga kũu mũciĩ kũu gwa cũcũ rĩu. Sorry to say this because I just have to say it. My cousin slept with her.
Oh God.
My cousin nĩakomire nake na akĩgĩa kana kau. Ian is 11 years now. They now gũkũ gwakwa nĩ ndĩraikara nao. My sister nĩ ũraikaraga nao. She stayed with them for 12 years. I think 11 years or so, yeah. And last year kĩndũ mweri, last year nĩanjĩrĩirie kũnyandĩkagĩra message akanjĩra she's tired. Akĩnjĩra rĩu sister yakwa harĩa akinyĩte nĩaranjitie gwĩthira kĩũru. I think alikuwa ameanza ku-withdraw. So I went to see them. Ngĩthiĩ ngĩkora the situation there. Nikaambia God, okay, ndirĩ okay and you know it. God, you know it. Ndirĩ nake gũthiĩ kũmahe, ndirĩ na ũrĩa ndĩ, but the situation here now, I just have to go with them. Tondũ I think because of desperation ya my sister, she got tired. Gũikara nake tondũ ndarĩ wĩra. ni kurĩmia ararĩmia inafika mahali hata hiyo food apati nini, so akachoka na akena ciana ciake. So that's how I ended up taking them. Yeah, that is part of the story now. Yeah. Okay, for me.
So aya tatu turu no mukoragwo in touch. Your sister?
Yeah, the sister I have in the house.
No yogi.
And these are the big
the
ones.
Brothers mutiyo kuria mari.
The brothers I don't know where they are. Tutiaragia nao.
Matiaragia kinya na sister uyu mwe wako.
Sister yakwa ni ajiraga ni maragia nake. But whenever amuhurira akamuhoya help for the sister, that is the communication igathira, and he won't be there again to respond and all that. Ni haria twatigire kwaria na brother yakwa. One time I decided ngiuga rĩu ithuĩ ta ciana cia Wangũi mami nĩ athire na okay nĩ twatũrĩte twĩrĩtwo ciana cia Wangũi mũgũtũra mũrũraga.
By who?
My grandmom nĩ
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Nĩ tweragwo tũgũtũra tũrũraga ta mami. Yeah. So gemera ona ngĩkorwo nĩ twahurunjũkanire ũguo twahurunjũkanire, at least sorry.
It's okay.
At least we can be there for each other tũcokanĩrĩre ta ciana cia Wangũi. At least tũkorwo twĩ hamwe tũkamenyaga thĩna wa mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ naguo tũkamenya ũrĩa tũgwĩka. So I talked to my brother ngĩmwĩra no kũgeria ũrĩa tũkũgeria tũgũre irio rĩ tũthiĩ kwa my sister tondũ rĩu nĩwe wĩ hau Kikope.
Kikope ĩno ya Naikuru?
Yeah. Tũthiĩ at least we meet ithuĩ twĩho tũcokanĩrĩre. So my brother tukĩrĩkanĩra ũguo. In between njikarĩte ngĩona profile picture ĩkĩrĩte a disabled child with a caption they were asking help for that kid. Ngĩmwandĩkĩra ngĩmũria atĩrĩrĩ, honestly George nĩ ndaigua ngoro yakwa yathũka tondũ nĩ ndona you are trying to look for help ya mũndũ ũngĩ now you wina your sister who is going through the same problem. Ũndũ ũcio ndinaigua wangenia. That is mũndũ ngĩmwĩra mũndũ anjagĩrĩri kwao then ugacoka ukauma nanja. So I think we exchanged some words na that's where ngĩmwĩra if at all you value other people than us then I think you don't even have to kũndaranĩta sister yaku because angĩkorwo ndũngĩamborore mwana ũyũ witũ na the same problem is the same problem ũcio wĩkĩrĩte then are we family? I think that from there we never talked again. That was the last time we talked and I haven't talked with him anymore. My other brother, that is long time. I think my brother ũcio ũmwe ingĩririkana kana nĩ ũkĩte mathiko ma cũcũ but definitely no nginya akorwo nĩ ũkĩte. But I don't remember so well. I think that was if I ever saw him.
No nĩ mũyaine.
Yeah, we know each other. We know each other. Gwitũ nĩ tũhanaine mũno. We look alike. As in ona ingĩ na George harĩa nitajua this is my brother. Nikiona Keri I know. Akiniona unless atake kusema hanijui but definitely akiniona atajua this is Waithera. Yeah, so that is about now my family. Arĩa tũciaranĩirwo now.
Na ngũcoke thutha hanini rĩ nĩ mwathomire nĩ wathomithirio nĩ cũcũ wanyu?
Yeah, cũcũ nĩ ndathomire kabisa from nursery school to high school nĩ ndathomire but cũcũ akĩhurũka was in form 2 but I still continued nĩ ndathomire. My aunt was there nĩ ndathomire ngĩrĩkia. I got a help also gĩthoma college food and production. Yeah, and then I think after there, that is now when I started. Now it's me. Now it's you, Nancy, and life. Yeah.
Wow. So, mũtũrĩre ũkoretwo hana atĩa kuma hĩndĩ ĩyo? Have you ever thought ona rĩngĩ ona tata wanyu mũthiĩ nao maybe mwarĩrie ciana cianyu?
Okay. Kids. I think nĩ ũyũ Okay, mamu itu ahikitwo nake. Let me tell you that.
Okay.
And I think the reason of her gukorwo alone, I think I always tell myself that she was a black sheep of the family. Alikuwa I think ametengwa, so and the fact that akoragwo na kunia tuciarire ni tuoyo ni twarehwo gwa shushu, she's not there, she's not sending any help. So with my aunts, yeah, they were there. There is one who was there. My mom, the firstborn, and then this auntie. She was there. That one I appreciate. Thank you so much. Whenever you are, auntie, you are there. But ilifika mahali now, mi kwanza pangu, I'll talk on my side. I will not talk of any other person, my sister or what, or mudu kuri uria matwaranite. But for me, iyo ya kusema now I can go talk to them and we see what we can do. For once, Kate, there's a time I prayed and I told God to disconnect me. To disconnect me with them. Because I learned they never wanted the best for me. Me, I'm one person. Me tangu nimalize form 4. Nageka college. I'm not that person. I ever called them to ask to help me in anything. So I've been fighting all alone, easy side. So kumbe that thing, aiwafurahishi. Unaona? Aiwafurahishi. So
gokoro drama hurira thimu.
Yeah, as in they can see nidirahota ku haso na guku de wiki itari mundu ndirathumbura. So ikakuwa like sasa nimekuwa I'm a bad person. So they don't want the best for me. Because even when you listen to whatever they are saying, if you ask them, Waithera uraga Nairobi. Unaona? Waithera uraga Nairobi. Like in 2021, I had a job. They all knew about it. Tondu ndahetwo ni mundu wa family. So it happened, I don't know. Kate, I think menyaga. Kate, I was a drunkard. Yeah? Dirari murefi wa like Kate, me, this person I wouldn't even want to eat. In the morning ni hadujukire deshirio yangu nywa chai. Nafikiria venye nitapitia kwa chumu ne? Hizo base za ku Kate kwa hadi na kunywa nachukua can, as in I was tipsy like every day I'm drunk. Kwa job niko mlevi, niko mpaka na can kwa drawer. Ndiria gutare busy gathie. What? Yeah. So I think, and then the job was hectic because I was always on phone calls even at night. I don't know what happened, kids. Iyo sijui what happened. Ikafika mahali sasa mimi I was hating everything and everyone. If you tell me something, I don't want. Nikakuwa sasa mimi naona tu everyone hates me. No matter what I try to do, mimi niede murufio. Yani, I'm a very bad person. Niede murufio gutiri wega wakwa onege katia. Hata nifanye nini? Yani, I'm just a bad person. So, kitu November, mimi nikasikia I don't even want that job. Sitaki, and I don't want anything. I just wanted to walk away to nowhere. Yani niende tu. At some point I felt like now I should be a strict child. Nika feel sasa acha sasa nikuwe don't care. Guru, yani guikara ugo maisha masio. I don't care anymore. So nikatoka. Ngitiga thimu nyumba. I just left ndatigire kila kindu. Thimu yakwa ndire nikaenda. Niliendanga nipaka kwa club. Tida genywa.
That is when now?
2021. I just wanted to kill myself. I just wanted to die. Nilikuwa nimesikia sasa mimi dili I am not dile modo siezi sitawahi kuwa.
Where did it start todo? Ni rire da kumenyire ri. Ndonire ka post wandikite. And you said no anoga. You want to end it all. And then I had to reach on you.
Yeah.
So that was, I think, 2019. Isn't it? 21.
That was 2021, 2022. You remember? 2022.
Was it 2020? No.
2021.
That was 2020. Haikuwa imefika wakati wa corona.
Yeah, around December. Around December. Yeah. Okay, mie kwenda kweyuraga iniwereke tuge. Sometimes even yesterday ugejuri, I would still do it.
Huh?
Huh? Me kid in 2012. 2012 I got a child, yeah? That was my first born. 2012. I was 23 years old. I got a child on 10th of April. No, 4th of April. Kid saa hizo nimepata huyo mtoto. Ndio nimemaliza college. Nikakuja kufanya attachment. Nidona hado ka hoteli. They were paying me 6,000. Then over weko weraini, a man comes in, kaga carry a lunch, nakula lunch, anaenda. Then he got interested in me. Then in between, I'm new from college. Actually, I was a virgin, by the way. That is 2012. So in between, ni wa daji ya kwedo, nagiona de wafata muno riu ni daji ya kwedo kaingia box. That is 2011. Nikapata ball. Ndio mimi nimepata mtoto 2012. Kangangana na ule mtoto. So
ni wati goni giwe dona materialize.
Ni dagi ya ball ri. Nikaambiaga ule jamaa. The guy went silent on me.
Agaruka.
He actually blocked me.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I wouldn't reach him. Nikichukua simu ya mtu mwingine nimpigie nayo, ananiambia nipigie, na kwa nini huwezi nipigia na simu yangu? Namwambia simu yangu, you know exactly, of course you blocked me, so I have to use somebody else. Okay, the guy didn't care. Na nige kiugari uwe kutikiri odoge. I got a baby boy who is very handsome. Baby gift. Keep resting.
Resting?
Yeah. So
what do you mean by resting?
Yeah, he rested in 2015.
Oh God.
In 2015. So
what happened?
Nikiwa na mtoto nilipitia. I went through a lot. Sometimes sina place ya kukaa. Niko na mtoto. So the kind of friends I had ni friends sasa. Unaona ile group sasa. Si watu mtasaidiana. You are just there. As long as ni mpate kitu ni tugeri mwana ucio twenake hauniona gya kuria. Sisi tukipata jaba tunakula. Mashohi mothe. Takataka wothe. So there was this lady who had a shop ya kuuza uniform. Hapo nilikuwa base. Hapo tulikuwa tunashinda. So akienda nyumbani mimi I would like kutandika hizo
cartons.
Not cartons, material. Juu ilikuwa nashona uniform. Material ishoni hoto gukomana mwana.
Theinie.
Ya ndani kwa shop. But hede ore utwe hauna mwana ucio ore kwa navuta sigara. Kuna hizo mapombe, tunakula hizo miraa, tunafanya nini? Unaona? Yani it was a bad life. So that is now tunaongea mambo ya 2014. Sasa sina place zingine, yani tunakaa tu hapo. Ni bora mwana wako anieko na kidogo ya kuria ri, I'm okay with it.
Na kidogo giki gya kuria niki?
Maybe su hao tu wenye tuko nao hapo tutachanga tuyasikia tu mtu mwenye amekuja ya Alice alikuwa na hiyo shop ni equity, at least atakupea niambie gurira mwana hivyo. Unaona? Ninanunua mtoto anakula. So kaendelea hivyo, nikapata kanyumba kama bati somewhere hapo tu nyuma ya hiyo shop. hiyo nyumba yari hagio ngiri. Then so I would go, hata sipati hiyo pesa. So ikakuwa there is a lady, she was anakuconnect na wababa.
Oh God.
Anakuconnect na wababa, you go for a night, unapata pesa. Yeah. So we do that, tungefanya hivyo. I won't say I did it for some, not once or twice I did it. And of course, when you go there, you don't know the person. Mna meet, unaintroduciwa. Sometimes you will go, akikupenda ni sawa, asipokupenda ni hivyo, haizi enda na wewe. But thank God for the people I went to. I don't know, see, hawakuwahi ni reject. So
they were baba now.
Yeah, they were baba, hawakuwahi ni reject. So I would go. Of course, you spend the whole night with the person. Ni mtu hujui, ni mtu hujai meet, so you don't even know what's next, but because of the desperation, you just have to do it. Mnalala, mnafanya mambo zenyu the whole night. Asubuhi anaamka anakupea, if you alikuwa amesema anakupea 2000, anakupea pesa yako 2000, that's it. At least unaona girigiri, you are good to go. Saizo umeenda, mwenye kuwapeleka anajua aliwapeleka, so nietereire uge ukare nduragura mzinga ya hiyo group mko nayo. Unaona, anangoja mnanunua mzinga kwa hiyo group. Hiyo siku wewe unatoa form, wewe uragura, tuseme kama hiyo pombe, na wewe ndio utanunua kama hiyo jaba mtakula. Unaona, juu at least wanajua ulienda mahali, and they are very sure utakuja na pesa. So kids, tuliendelea hivyo. In 2015 April, my baby was turning 4 years. Niagire homa, started homa, na ngimugurira syrup, na tukakaa tu tukaendelea kukaa hapo juu that is our home now. One after that, it was on a Saturday, Alice akidoma town, ngamugirire mafuku hado, I don't know, hiyo bookshop inaitwa in town. So I went, ngeshoka hwaini nidakorire mwana wakwa ni atuikire too much, amekuwa too much, hiyo homa imekuwa too much, joto iko mingi. So ikakuwa tumeenda, tukarudi chemist, tukiheo dawa, tukarudi. So tumekaa hapo, there is a friend of mine twatigirwo nake, tukaachwa na yeye, so mwana ni aheo dawa. So we were with Ruth there. Ruth ajikarete yako tu busy anavuta sigara zake, bina mimi nakula jaba yangu. Haha denyiteire mwana. Kitu saa 6 ya usiku, baby Gift really got sick. Ikabidi tuende Mama Lucy. Tukikinya Mama Lucy, baby Gift akanebuliziwa na tukiheo dawa iria twaheirwo, na tukarudi home. Ngiandikirwo he dawa ndandikirwo, but we didn't have money, so I had to go to Mombi house tondu kou cieraidi. So I talked with my friends, tugishaga, nikaamka asubuhi kuendea zile dawa. I went with baby Gift. That is on Sunday. A friend of mine came through, alikuwa anaitwa Bahati. After kuchukua dawa, Bahati akaniambia twende Uhuru Park, tuthi tuikaikare kou. So you know now baby Gift kabisa ako weak kabisa. Twakinya kou, Bahaka nunulia baby Gift atoe, so at least tuonekana he will liven up. So we are there, baby Gift is not enjoy anything, there is nothing he's enjoying, ako tu, he's just there. So and me, I was just there. I'm feeling, no, you know, when your baby is sick, you also get sick. Now you don't know exactly what you're waiting for. You're just there. Tukamaliza, nikamwambia let's just go back. Si tukarudi kwa shop baha githii karaka yone. Sasa ngapi? Kitu 5.
O muthenya ucio.
Yes. Tuoka ni tuokire na tugikoma muno ngithondeka hau na tugikoma muno na mwana wako. Haria tuokireire, baby gift again was worse. He was hot, alikuwa very hot. Tena tukaji. Okay, hapo next kuna mama alikuwa na salon na niari na gakari. So ikakuwa sasa it's like emergency. Ndio sisi back to Mama Lucy. Tukafika Mama Lucy. Kid, if I will never forget. Ati hedeno ni turatwara mwana wakwa thibitari. Still my, you know the kind of friends I had. Tony already them they were drinking. Tony tuoka twako mari riu hari ithu tuokireire already they were there. Wako tu na bado hizo pombe wameweka sasa kwa machupa tamaya. Naona tuwatwara mwana wako thibitari ni muru warufiu. Mimi sasa hiyo tu nimeenda nimeshika mtoto wangu. I don't even know, my baby is just telling me I don't dianyita kanendo ni arajira. Tukafika Mama Lucy akanibiziwa ikakuwa sasa lazima tuadmitiwe ni ekiro oxygenini. So the friends ikakuwa the friends wameenda ndati Nancy Waithera day wiki. Mama Lucy ni twathitwa he ureni. Mona ndiye muigathi. Nimeshika tu mtoto wangu hivi. So I'm holding my baby. It's like he's telling me bye, but I don't know. And he's talking inside there. So at some point I screamed, nikaita nurse. Nurse ageuka akigirira mwana akamnebulize akamfanyia nini mtoto akarudi, nikamshika tu tena. Mimi Kate kama nimeshika mtoto. My baby akaanza kukua stiff. The baby started getting stiff. So me, I don't know what is happening. So there was a lady who was there. Akienda anaenda akaita nurse. So wamekuja wamemchukua, wameanza kumfanyia hizo first aid tena, wamemweka, they are pressing him, they are doing all that. So me all the time giuma. Now I don't know. Now I don't know what is happening. Now this is not it. Things are getting bad. Mimi nikatoka na uko nje. Kate, I'll never forget Todugi uko. That nurse was a warrior. Nikikuja hivi Kate, you know the way you meet with someone, hata anataka kukuonyesha is nothing that has happened. That nurse aliniulizaka, uko peke yako? Nikamwambia niko peke yangu. Mtoto wako ameaga. Oh God.
It is well. It's okay.
Mtoto wako ameaga. I cried the better part of it. Then I took my phone. I called my friends. It was at 12 midnight now. The first person I called was Alice, ndio tulikuwa kwa shop yake. And Alice tu vile aliona simu yangu, aliniambia, I hope haujanipigia kuniambia baby gift hayuko. Kamwambia that is what it is. Hivyo ndio iko. So she called people. Julia alikuwa Rwai. Aka call Jane. Now them huyo mama alikuwa hapo wa salon mwenye alikuwa ametupeleka akamcall. She called another 2 friends and they came. Yeah, it was so hard for them also to see, because I still wasn't believing and everyone, no one was believing. So baby gift okay. Baby gift amelala pale. He looks like he's breathing. So again we called the doctor na mwambia hapana, baby gift hajaenda, muangalie. He's breathing, I can see. He's breathing, hata ukiangalia he's breathing. But unfortunately ilikuwa needed tu ndio amepoa. So the foam inatoka, you can see it's like in a bubble. Yeah, so that's how I lost my kid. And now my most pain with my family. So nikiwa huko, now we need money. Ndio huyu mtoto tulimpeleka City Mochari. We needed 2,000 za adungwe sindano. I didn't have anything. So there's a cousin of mine, that time she was in Lebanon. Nikamwandikia, nikamwambia what has happened. I called an aunt of mine. Nikamwambia what has happened. But the response she gave me was, I remember these words like it's yesterday. Riu ni hindi urahota kuhurira thimu. And nikasema from there I won't call them anymore. I already nilishamwambia what has happened. So Njeri niwe were Banoni niwe wakijarira akijira ni kwaria nake andumire ngirisho 2 ni kumucokeria. So Njeri did that, ngirisho 2 by morning tugithie munagitheshwo shindano. Kate, I walked through that journey with just me and those my crazy friends, because those are the people who stood with me. Acio nio twacangire now. Actually they had to make hiyo ya hapo kwa barabara hiyo kwa street hapo yenye wanaandikanga mneka picha passers by mnachanga na wao. Kids, mimi mtoto wangu nilimzika Lang'ata. I had to buy a twagulire ku with just me and my friends. I never saw any family member who came. No one came. Oh God. And throughout that, no one called me. No one called me. Ona gikonda kirio muru. Then a modo agia. We don't remember. I know. Ona modo e muru riria wagia then atoshi. At least we better fake it. But just you hold this person. No one was there for me. Yeah, so nitwadika mwana Lang'ata. And that's it with my friends. Now another life starts. Now again, this is me now. So when Baby Gift died, with Baby Gift at least in the day like I'm a person. Tondo at least he loved me so much. At least I felt I have someone who loved me. Someone who I was looking up to. He was looking up on me. Riu ningi ni ndatigwo ni ta ndarutwo nguo. I know. Riu ningi ndeyaga makiria. Satena nikajikosa nigirigwo ni kagai umenete atia. I know. Ka umenete atia. I thought Baby Gift at least now I have a family, a close family with me. Tuta walk na yeye. He will be there for me someday. Ningi ni wa muoya. Riu ningi ndatigwo nguo. Ka umenete atia. Sasa now, for like a month, not like a month, for like 2 good weeks, I became so useless. Very useless. Very useless. Me, I didn't want to shower. I remember that in a t-shirt, I blue. That dagana komono. I need a slim because all I wanted to do, nekonyua. All I wanted is drinking. Anything. Me nikutane na anything. The only thing I didn't do, but I had tried kidogo ni shanga. But I was almost, but that time tuadhirena one of my friends, I don't know, akasema isuji ya umete Kisii, and they were saying Kisii changa is very nice. Yeah, you know. Oh God. And I went and I tried. Then I decided niru gogusia ginya thigara. Ndiri udugweda.
No, you get it now into depression.
Yes. I don't want anything. I want to do anything. No na maudo maria mothe mudu akaga muru.
I know.
I want to do that. Baby Gift is gone. So me
gutire ndogere.
Yo ndirenda. Ara mimi nikikufa niko sawa. Niona nidakumaga guthikari. Mimi ndazikwa na serikali. Si nimezika huyu wangu ndagura kafuri. Davika. Me just me. What nini nyingine kubwa sofa gutire ndogere munene ndonaga. Tondu cio niguo ngwiciria undu uria munene ingionete hindi ona ni ndawona niguo uyu. Mwana ndaciara ndakuithia gutire mundu uri wa muona ndathika. Just me. Mimi,
God.
you know, I tried even cigarettes now. No, ndĩragwenda kunyua nginya thigara na nginya bangi gũtirĩ kĩndũ itekũhũthĩra mimi. No, I don't even want to shower, Kate. I don't want make mai. I want to kukua tu huko machumi. Ni bora ni daikaraga murefi 24/7. Nikutane na Kenya Ken.
Basi yote maretwa.
Yes. Ni keki.
Konyagi.
Konyagi ni mugeni. Konyagi ni mgeni. Nikutane na Napoleon gekira. Nikutane na sijui kibao thigara riu ni ndagereti ngiuga hengi itagwo downhill. Iyo niyo yari naguraguru. That is 2015. Ukigikeka yumite tene ndono to riu ni hindi ndenda hindi riu niguo nda decide. Ilikuwa ina switch. When you smoke it in a toa menthol something, I don't know ya. But thank God ni ciandegire. Ni ndaremirwo ku smoke. Haikuniingia vile nilikuwa nataka. Nikaacha. Fagi ngigeria. Ndiranyingira.
Ihinda rĩrĩ rĩothe ũrageria indo ici ũgerie kũrĩra ruo kana urereka nĩ ũndũ wa company.
I don't want anything now. Me, I'm useless. I've lost this kid here. Nidathikara ngata riu kou kwanza riu haria twagurire karia gatari. No, that was bad. I didn't want to live anymore. So I just wanted to do things. Staki kufikiria anything. I want to dedago korode tipsy. There's nothing big. I don't want to eat food me dieda irio. Niona wagora ujire irio. Ai, chakula ya nini? Me, I don't want food. Nijenge mimi niende pale. Nakatiwa kangu. Daika mufuto dakuja go. Na slippers.
Oh God.
I didn't want anything. Na hede nori after that day. So after that it's 2 weeks. Thank God to my friends Todo. After that they never gave me the money that remained. They didn't give me the little money in Elibaki because we didn't have a lot of money. Todo nona twashagithagia fara. These are people hata nebisha muronio. You don't know. You just give if you wanna give. If you don't wanna give, you just needed to onesha has. That was all for that time. They didn't give me the little that in the back. So they just, I think they let me be fast what I wanted to be that time. So Torio, how did they so desperate muno? My friend, and by the way, Kate, I thank God now I know how to pray. That time I didn't know how to pray. Todo gomete, to how to komete. In a dream, hidio mwana wako alio moyo, he's not even sick. I saw 3 coffins. Nisa niguru. And I just ignored it, you know. Dikomire de mure uri. Runie irotosi sia nyuma. I don't know anything about it. So after that, after I lost my baby now, I was now tukiaragi hau gemera. Na niwamenya ni Alice ni ndirarotete ngona mathanduku matatu. Alice akijira Nancy korwo ni woi kuhoya ona korwo ni wanjirire hindi yo we would have prayed tondu ni kureherwo warehagirwo ni ungiahingithitie gikuo giki mara but sasa mimi ningejuaje unaona singejua because I didn't know how to do those things. Yeah, I used to pray our Father who art in heaven, hizo ni hivyo. So after that lose my baby a week now, we are the 3 of us. That was me, Irene, Ruth, Alice. Me, I started losing my baby. After 1 week, Ruth lost a brother.
Oh God.
Ruth ni lose a brother. Tondu na dress code ira ndekirire ya mathiko ma mwana wakwa noyo ndekira mathiko maya. After mathiko 1 week twarikia guthika brother ya Ruth, Irene lost the father. The 3 coffins in Kenya. That was something that we had been shown. But because we were there, we didn't know or we didn't care. But because we didn't know that it's a vision, when you see something like that, you can pray and tell God, no, I don't want this. But we didn't know that time. I didn't know how to pray. So sometimes I wish it was now. At least it was now. At least in Ogi, you know how to pray and tell God, if it's something negative, God, I don't want it. May it not be. If it's positive, let it be. If I knew that time, maybe I would have saved the Gift's life. Maybe he wouldn't have died. There's something coming, but I didn't know.
So that is now 2015.
Yeah.
So kuma hauru no aruzi mwana.
Yeah.
Muturire ogukuru hana atia riu.
There now life is meanza. Now after Rudha nimeluzi mtoto wangu, nimeluza huyu ameluza, tumekuwa sisi wote omodore une, you are dealing with your loss. There was a lady who was called Mama Sarah. She was Mama Sarah. Yeah, Mama Sarah.
Moikaraga nake oku.
Yeah, she used to pass by there, a very prayerful woman. In fact, I thank God because Alice connected me with them. But she used not to know the shit we do here. In fact, a very modogeta mami.
Wow.
Modogeta mami. But you know,
maybe no nake no kurio kaundu akigera.
Yeah, maybe she used to go through her own things and maybe she skipped that age akiwa munini reu niona tu mundu haha ngika tu maundu tu now. So they can connect. So after tware kiru mathiko ru at least nikuwa najua there is this person who prays. Sometimes I met with her giuka de mureu muno aki akanisalimia kwa Nancy, unaendeleaje? After you mathiko niyo mathikira mwana, mami niko tu nang'ang'ana endelea. Hey, kayuke nywete atia mira ni ndiri undu ungi ndirenda niko no hota gutinda ndi muriu ona ngifuata ucio wako rathire ona yake ni arathire. No, it will be okay for me. At least I won't go through pain again, because wagikonga ino wagererie ruo taruru ri kamenete atia akijira shaka ida kumenete. Akaniambia uthi ukome o hari ukomaga rucio gokira thaa 10 ugoka. Akaniambilia kwake. So I went. We really talked with her. She prayed for me a lot.
Na hakukujudge.
She didn't judge me. She didn't judge me. Mama Sarah didn't judge me. She talked to me. Akaniambia, Nancy, this is not what you're supposed to be. This is not you. What you do, I'll pray for you. Na direda, I want you to change. Direda usheji. It's all right what you are going through now. It's okay, ninaelewa and all that. But Nancy tamaka kwenye wao utaira dirasha manirie nawe urahana gati. Riwo kwenye you will start sleeping na huku inje, men will take advantage of you, you will get sick and all that. And that's when I came back to my senses and I remembered who Nancy is supposed to be. And I said, okay, tukaomba. And I went back feeling at least better. I went home at least feeling better. So akaniambia Sunday ugoka kanitha. And I went to church. Tukaomba, when we are there, litanduma ukihoyo, anaitona haya na mwiretu Ngai ni akumugarurira muturire. It's all right. Unajua saa hizo saa zingine tu unasema it's all right. Bado uoni unaona tu hizi tu ni zile tu vitu za kawaida. So it's okay. So nitware kikanitha wakasema now I don't have to be sleeping there. How da komaga. There is a lady. What was her name? Mama whoever she was. They talked to her and she said she'll accommodate me. So when I went to that lady, oh no, usheru nake nugi watumire nigejoke to zero the pain, because now I'm there. I don't want to so far so good, bado dira hotaki kukula. So unaona sasa nikiwa when I'm alone there, sasa hizo vitu zinanikujia, unaona leo diniwete kido am sober, so ninaanza kufikiria zile vitu. So she started showing me, utamsikia saa zingine akiongea na customer kake, her daughter was, I don't know what was her problem, the pastor niyo kakaka hoya, she was getting possessed, I don't know by what. So mi saa zingine niko huko, so nikipika, I'm just quiet, I don't want anything. So she would complain, unamsikia akicomplain, hey aduo nagi kwa mundu ni arakigerera ruo ri mundu ndakigeragia kuria kana ona gukiaria na andu. So ai ngirigo ri nita ninge muturire ni nitawajia kundituhira. Ikafika point akasema I don't know who is coming, her daughter is coming back, so there is no space. Ndauma kwa mwathani ni ndathire kunio ithira wangu. Riu ninge ni ndauma street-ini. But now I didn't go back to this side za Kayo, uko Komarok Kayole. Now sina anywhere. Now sasa nimekuwa another desperate person. Riu ninge ni ndatuika riu ndiri undu ungi ndirenda. Riu ndokiraga. One day nikaamka, nikaenda Umoja. Umoja riu ndathiaga. Niĩ nĩ ngomete matatu-inĩ Umoina cia Umoja. Umoina. Nitashinda tu nikizurura, mimi nizurure. Hedi sasa niko na kabag kangu ndire na nguo nyingi. Because the other ones I didn't carry anything. Nikuja nipate hapo kwa shop, nimwambie si uniwekee hii bag hapa, ninakuja. Niĩ ndingĩgira ndagira andu ariku. Mimi sasa nitasikiza niende Charina kuria kwina mugithi. Ni bora nipate ya kukunywa. Niko mlevi. Nyume mugithi thacia mugithi ni ciathira nitembee tu hivyo. Pate Umoina ipo, mimi niingie nilale. Okay. Siku moja nikitembea hivyo nikapata place palikuwa na, that is 2015 bado. Kulikuwa na hoteli imeandikwa face to face. Nikaingia hapo nikapata ngikora mwili tu athabagia hau. I really was so stressed kwanza hiyo siku dare na stress. Nilikuwa na stress sana. That is the day I said kumo move negwedia. I will sell.
What are you selling?
Myself.
Oh God.
I will sell. Riu ne ngurugama riu faratari angi. Tigeno riu twatwaragwo. At least they na idea. I will sell now. I will do anything. Because now I have to survive. I will sell it. Ndire riu undu ngindigetie. Nindikirara ngo mabathi-ini naki na nejiguaga iretu they do it na mundu agakorwe na kanyumba gake arahota kuriha. What is me now? So nikaingia hapo. Huyo msichana nikamsemea mta sasa, niambia kwa nikamzuri naweza nisaidia maji ya kukunywa, akijira yeye. Akaniuliza kuna siku nimekuona kwa Umoina ziko kwa gate nyingine iko hapo ya blue hapo asubuhi ya 6. Nikamuuliza, nikamwambia ni nini? Akaniuliza kwani unalala hapo? Nikamwambia mimi nalala hapo. Mimi sina kwa kukaa. So mimi mahali tu nimefika, mimi nikipata tu anywhere I can sleep. Akaniambia mimi nafanyaga hapa. Niwe wa take care of the rooms. Hari na rooms. So nikaka akaniambia utaoga. Kumuthie ndio ndina kabagi gakwa. Akijura hizo ni nguo umebeba, ngimwira akijira mimi ndiye na take care of here na sijui nitakusaidiaje. Ngimwira unaweza nipea mahali nioge kwanza. Akijira nguo ciakwa tondu ni ari na karumu akaria hetwa ikarage akihe mai ngithamba. Nikakuja nikakaa, akijira weka hapa, ukikaa hapa hutakosa mtu atakuongelesha. Ni Waithera ngithamba ngikara. So nilikuwa nashinda hapo kids. Ndire thina gathimu no ndire mundu ingihurira. Nimwambie sijui I'm going through this, help me, sijui what, ona ndire tekedo no jikirire, I don't have. Yani me I don't know how I was. Digimenya I think I was just to die that time. Because I don't know. nikakaa siku ngitinda hau. At lunch time anake angi magiuka, they were working with water. Magiuka magikirithia irio ciao. I think that is where they used to eat. Nijikarite haria magitia nyama yao. Wakauliza Wambu, kwa nini ule msichana amekaa? Ni wakale, ule msichana amekaa pale peke yake. Ngimera Wambu akimera hako tu, unajua tu mashida za hii dunia na wasichana. Kimena si muita basi ya kuja ya kule na sisi tukiria nao. Mmoja alikuwa anaitwa Justus akaanza kumkatia. Ngiona leo nini ndari ya mundu nina ni ndari ya nyamu omudhi riu. Mimi nitaingia inbox. But Wambu akijira lakini Nancy watu hawa wa maji. Here they come with everyone. Here they come with everyone. Siu geri boy leo nige ni azia leo kana dareda nyedu. You see? Nikasema lakini okay. Mtu sasa maybe hata ni watu wanajuana na wao. I don't know. Ngikara. That night ngikoma kwa hau Wambu. Mimi asubuhi nikaamka. Gira Wambu, kuna ebu niambie tati yenye iko hapa karibu na ezaenda. I just want to go and pray. Ndenda guthi kuhoya. Akijira kuna church iko, ukitembea hivi straight kuna church ya PCA. Utaipata hapo na I think inakuwaga open kila siku todo hena college hao. Nikaingia Kate, I went there. I didn't know how to pray. No nidakihoire. Ndarikia kuhoya bado ngiigua ndinaiganira. Riu ngirigwo ni thaa 5 riu ndathiku ningi. Ndathiku. Ngicoko haria ha Wambu akithie tukikora akiria nake. Ngimwira Wambu ta higana ringi nginya town. Akijuria riu town wathi gwikatia wehe tu. Nataka tu kwenda Uhuru Park nikae tu huko. I just want to go there. Wacha tu niende nikae huko. Nieke tu bando si thimu yakwa niende tu nikae huko. Ndeko ure nego hihinya nyone kana kwi mundu ngikorwo postete onoko ni wira wa nyumba. So Wambu akanipea nikaenda Uhuru Park and I went with my bag. Nikakaa hapo. Nikaingia then kulikuwa na hii OLX they used to wadu ni mapostigi jobs na nini. Nika finya nikaona mtu ameandika anataka, she was in Mombasa, she needed someone to cook for them. Mimi nika reply nikamwambia niko available na niko Nairobi. Akijuria kana no nginya muthenya uyu ngirushini ni Waithera ndina fare ona baadhi cia Mombasa ni njui cio yagirwo ku ndio huyo mimi nimepata kazi Kate. Dina guka hidio ni around 3 nilikuwa bado nimebakisha 50 bob. Ndia huthirie to ndathire town na 30 bob ngikira bando si cia kibao niko bado na 50 bob sikuwa nimetumia kukula hata anything to ndia huthirie ni ndie kindu na ni ndi shoka o hadi na 50 bob at least onoko no umoja yo kwa hau Wambu ni gushoka. So nikarudi kwa Wambu nikamwambia this is what is there. Nimepata job. Leo ni jagiria kuthi Mombasa na ndio Mombasa kuhadu danathi. Gari ni hata sina pesa. Wambu akijira riu ria tugwikari. Ni ngukuhe fare tondu handu hakugie ko uragie kari wethi. Mimi nikaenda kwa mzungu. Kuna tudugire uniothabagie tugui icio, you cook, you wash, you do all that. I worked for them for 1 month. Unfortunately, nginya mumetagirira ni ciauma, they are going to Norway nginya na mutumia. Riu ninge Waithera ni ndatigwo ndire ninge ndatigwo Mombasa. Na unajua kwanza ni wale wanakuja wanakuambia from tomorrow we are traveling, we are not there anymore. Mimi ninge ni kwa nita na regi ngiuga mwathani riu ninge ni ndi wao. Where do I go next? What next? Nikasema hii Mombasa nasikia kwa wasichana wanapata wazungu. Sina kitambi. Nitakuwa naenda beach sasa. No riu ndithiaga beach ngathiku. Ndithiaga ku. Riu ninge ndanyitwo ni stress. Katulio kugiurura gogo tena kakutana msichana mwingine kwa beach. At least we are na hadu. Tukaongea akijira ni kuni host. Njoki na akani host. Sasa ilikuwa ni you survive for your own. Umenye uria ura survive. Nywe mwareha nyumba mumenye uria mureka. Ni nona riu ni ndoka at least na kamushara gakwa ka 3,000 ni ndariho ka mweri ucio umwe. Ha ni ndoka riu ni ndagura. Ni nda at least ni ndamunengera. Ni ndamuto ajira nyumba ni 2,000. Koguo 2,000 tukiri ha mweri ucio. Riu ni thie thoko. Ngigura ki? Dress code cia guthiaga ku? Beach. Ugethia thungu kuragithi uguo wikirite ta uguo ati mubuto you have to look sexy makiuga. Niri mugicagi ni na no beach ndikire ndangimenya thungu where you start joke ni agikaikarite ku wish news. Sasa tunaenda na yeye. Hapana tuwezi enda na yeye juu. Uende kivyako juu ngugithi nake igithi nyendo na niwe udehete we atigwo guguthi ati athutha ucio
ni gukuingata
atanifukuza so you go your way I go my way definitely de gugutuma kuria aramenya ni makoragwo atakutuma mali anajua no nginya wabe uikare kugume gutiri kuona nini.
Yeah.
Unfortunately I never happened to get even one mzungu. Leo ni ndatindaga tugasamania hwaini. Leo ni ndire kindu ndiri handu ndirona kindu kiraingira turia twakwa riu ni twathira. Njoki riu gikinya end month. Njoki akaniambia sasa ngirigirira. Nikamwambia sasa mimi Njoki mimi sijaipata yetagwo atia makazi. Mimi sijapata makazi nitatoa wapi? Akijira sasa wewe itabidi ujue vile utafanya. Jumi siwezi kuwa na kulipia nyumba. Na umekaa hapa unafaa kukuu ukijua kutafuta hizi makazi hata kama niku unatoka usiku. Si unaonaga hata mimi usiku natokaga unafikiriaga naenda wapi? Nikamwambia kina mimi hizi makazi sijawahi fanya. Sasa si basi tuende na wewe unintroduce basi. Wewe jua vile utafanya. Njoki head to kutato ndoto kabagi gakwa kejigira hauja. Because now akikodira itheria makazi ri. Nyari githiaga we akaruta makazi na neigite mundu nyumba gwake. So ikakuwa riu wewe umenyori ogwe. Umejua vile sasa utafanya. This is Mombasa now. Sasa hizo nimejoin hizi sites zote gutiri site itaingirite. Nimejoin all those sites. Dating sites zote gutiri itali. One of these days kuna chali alikuwa anakaaga hapo karibu. Alikuwa anaitwa Peter. Sasa tukaagiri na Peter ngimira Peter sasa lazima unipe mali kwa kukata kama ni siku 3 nijue what next. Na Peter usiniitishe mimi. Juu mimi ile stress niko nayo please don't. So far so good don't. Kama utanisaidia ukijua unanitaka please uniambie tu nisishinde nikikuja kwa nyumba yako. Juu mimi mali sasa imefika mimi nitaenda kwa beach niende huko far end niswaipiwe hivi nikuje munione kwa news. Peter akaniambia Nancy wewe kuja tu. Wewe kuja huko unalala ujue vile utajipanga. Anyway, men ni wale. First day I slept. Nikaingia kwa hiyo dating site ilikuwa inaitwa Badu. Nikapata na another guy. Akaniita. Na akidomera fare. Nikaenda. Kai. Uri biseri ekirita ni mwanake munini muno. Ni ndathi ndakorire mundu igano. Nagiga ri mwathani. Sasa ni mwadhani wakwa nina kuguka. Sasa hiyo nimeenda nimevuka from South Coast, nimeenda North Coast, nimevuka ferry. Nimeenda all the way to Bamburi. Na nikampata na friends wake. Tukakula lunch. Niri dai imagine ni njukire ri. Fare de kuhea gucoka tuhure. Nguika atia. Na I insist we have to go. Kit I had to go. Ni adutithirie wira muru muno. Ni adutithirie wira muru. Tio.
What do you mean by that?
He slept with me. Leo ningi ne ndacoka umoja kuwa. Ni ndaga leo ningi mufata wa maisha ningi. So that is 2017 now. 2017 nigedati dekana na maisha leo ningi ndaigwa no kurura.
You are desperate.
Yeah, I'm desperate again. So as I was walking around, I met with a girl anaga flyers cia kanitha. alikuwa there was a Nigerian pastor who was coming akijera kanitha-inĩ kwao kwĩna pastoral kana nĩ arahoera andũ, so ngĩdecide nĩ ngathiĩ kanitha. Hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩwona rĩu ningĩ nĩ njokire street-inĩ nĩ Mũina-inĩ nĩ kũrĩa kwa Wambũ, ngĩthiĩ kanitha. Ndauma kanitha, ndĩ kanitha kũu pastor ũcio akiuga mũndũ auge ũrĩa arenda, niĩ ngiuga ndĩrenda wĩra. Nona nĩ ndetia wĩra na gwa gũikara ndirĩ, ngiuga ndĩrenda wĩra o kĩrĩa gĩokire. Pastor akiuga nĩ wa mawĩra. Tukiuma kanitha tukakuja, nikarudi tu hapo hapo kwa Wambũ, ndekĩrĩte dress ya yellow ndaihu. Ndakinya ngĩkora Wambũ ikarĩte na some men, they were drinking and eating. Wambũ akĩnjũria, he ũmũthĩ ka wĩkĩrwo na ndinakuona ũkiuma ka ũkĩrĩte nguo ndaihu atĩa. Ngĩmwĩra nyuma kanitha. One man akĩũria atĩrĩrĩ, uma kanitha? Wera Ngai atĩa? Ngĩmwĩra ndera Ngai ahe wĩra. So akĩnjĩra nĩ ndakũhe wĩra.
Wow.
Ai, so inanisoundia is he drunk or he's just joking, kana no kairĩtu arenda kũthaka na my mind kana nĩ atĩa. Akĩnjĩra nĩ ndakũhe wĩra. Akĩnjĩra ũrenda kũrĩhe mbeca cigana? Ngĩmwĩra he 15,000. Akĩnjĩra nĩ ndakwandĩka. Akĩnjĩra Wambũ akĩnjĩra ikara thĩ, irio nĩ gũkaira ũkũrĩe. Akĩnjũria ũranyua? Akĩngiuga ndĩranyua Guinness. Akĩnjĩra ũnyue Guinness ĩyo ĩmwe ũrĩe ũthiĩ ũkome tondũ rũciũ wĩ wĩra. Niĩ ngĩrĩa ngiuma. Nĩ ngũinũka itakĩũĩ kana nĩ wĩra kana nĩ gũthima arathima. Na akĩnjĩra rũciũ tũgacemania hau Ronda Ndigara rũcinĩ thaa 2, he mũndũ ngũhe namba yaku agoka gũkuoya hau. Nona nĩ nderwo ũguo, no nĩ ndainũka bado na feel siko sure. When things just happen like that, hapana, me have been with men so far, mananiambia they'll do this, maybe onake rĩ ena plan o ĩrĩa. Niĩ ngĩthiĩ kĩrabu kĩrĩa harĩa Portland. Ngĩtinda hau. Saizi unajua ni kukaa unakaa hivi ũrĩa woka.
Ndũnathi wĩra.
Sini Sunday sini naamka kwenda Monday. No nuona rĩu ndiratia atĩ nĩ ũndũ ndoya atĩ rĩu njĩkĩrĩte haha. At the end of the day I've been meeting athuri aya ũrĩa twacemania nake nĩ ekũndeithia, at the end of the day aranitumia. So rĩu niĩ ndathiĩ ngiugaga atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ngathiĩ rũciũ, no gũtirĩ toro ndĩrathiĩ tondũ ndiũ nake plan ciake nĩ irĩkũ, mi wacha niende zangu. Ngĩcoka pothe ngĩtinda hau ngĩnyua nginya ndainũkaga Wambũ ndacokaga thaa 6. Ndĩ mũrĩu mũno ona ndionaga ihuti rĩthi. Nikaenda nikaambia Wambũ, hebu mimi nilale, si Julius alisema kesho niende kazi, niamke nijitayarishe niende. Wambũ akĩnjĩra usikose kwenda tuone kama hapo serious. Na rũcinĩ ngĩũkĩra no ndakĩrĩ na hangover njũru mũno. No nĩ ndathiĩ, whatever happens let it happen, I'm used of these things. Ngĩthiĩ na nĩ mandakinya ngĩmũhũrĩra ngĩmwĩra ndakinya haha. Akĩnjĩra he mũndũ ũroka gũkuoya, agĩtũma mwanake wĩho wetagwo Saimo agĩũka akĩnjoya, tũgĩthiĩ nĩ kwarĩ kwa printing. So ndathiĩ hau ngĩkorwo nĩ secretary nĩ accountant. That time that is 2017 nĩ hĩndĩ ya elections, so we are doing a lot of printing cia posters. Julius nĩ aratũrĩha? Julius ndegũtũrĩha. Na hĩndĩ ĩyo roka mũga print mbeca iraingĩra nyingĩ mũno, nĩ ndataraga nĩ mwaruta wĩra wa 100 thimũ kĩrabu. Nancy mbeca ciaingĩra cigana 100 ndũmĩra 40 oro rĩu. So by the end of the month we are not getting anything. Haya ningĩ nĩ kwaritũha, ndĩroe rĩu mweri ũcio nĩ gwetha kanyũmba, rĩu ningĩ gũtirĩ, tũtirarĩhwo. Julius nginya nĩ oka macini, andũ nĩ moka gũkua macini ciake tondũ aheirwo tenda akĩrĩa mbia. Ubia kila mtu ni millions of money, agĩcenjia namba apatikani. Rĩu andũ ithuĩ marakora ofici rĩu ningĩ nĩ twathira. Niĩ ningĩ rĩu nĩyo 2017 nĩ ndagĩa ningĩ. I don't know if I was stupid or what it was, or I don't know. Ndiũ ingĩta ũndũ ũyũ atĩa tondũ rĩrĩa ndanuzire mwana wakwa rĩ, I emailed the dad. Ngĩmwĩra mwana nĩ arahurũkire, and he never responded. Because the only thing I would do is to email him, since I wouldn't call. Ndahura namba ingĩigua nini akarenga. Nikamu-email, he never talked akuongea. But I felt he's the only person I wanted all along. I don't know kama ni tondu niwe wani break virginity kana what the hell it was, but the only person dad was gift, this only person I wanted. Ni 2017 ningine damu email ni damu wetha Ni unblock. Tasoko haria. The same man. Nimedagia ndanigi. Nyakira. Kumbe ni ahikanirie na hasemu. Leo unaona? Ameenda haongei. Mwana leo ningi nendagia mwana na desperation no iria. I don't know, sometimes nikigithiaga na mbere. Ndagia mwana ningi dahaso. Life tu ni ile ya ugumu nini, you're going through a lot, you're up and down. Leo how ni delire nikakwa sasa mniko kwa there is an aunt, my mom's cousin mara weku ni kwali to ha asa nige no mahaugira ngai mwathani kumumuthe haha tuke niho ndigocoka kuruta wira nyumba ciene ate niguo mwana wakwa ari na ngakoma hetuka nyumba onoka nini at least tuone handu turingiraga yona tugithinikaga. It happened. Ngai yake heka nyumba kau na nikaanza kuhastle. But life has not been so easy for me. If it's rejection, I don't know if it's a spirit or it's a what. Because everywhere I go, utakaa tutatulia okay. Utapata mtu mnaanza kuongea na yeye, huyo mtu anakusupport. Kidogo ni agukirira from the blues. Mundu ucio ndarakubariria, mundu ucio wamwandikira message ndaragucokeria. Riu ugakorwo you are just you. So riu ni hakinyire handu riu ni ngiuga it's just me and God. Because nditaraga ndina family ingihurira. Tondu family they troll you like marenda thairio raigwa wina thina. In fact, ruo ruria ndina ruo thaici muno Kate, I'm looking for my family. Undu ucio ni uhinyiriirie ngoro mwiri. Tondu hena my cousin twiriga kwaria nake and akijira gwito mugaga ni ndaciaritwo ni mugithi. So I think my family is in Kisii. So that's why me and the family tutikoretwo okay. Tujakuwa tukiget along now. So you know mundu okay doe ni ahinyiriirie ngoro yakwa muno na ngiaga muno na nikasema maybe that is why everything happens the way it happens between me and them. So me okay ni demo Gikuyu basi do I had a Makisi. Yeah. So do need ikiwe de wa mwena uriku. So far so good. Mimi niko tu hapo. Tondo there is a day draikarite dirauga. Now I think even if they ever put me in a group, I don't know if I'm being bitterness day nayo, but nidiraugire if anything again they put me kwa group. Although so far so good in family, my aunts, my uncles are in a block list. Wako block list. But group unajua anyone can add you from wherever. Nikasema in case majikira group, I'll just write me, I'm not part of the family. Me ni Kisii and I'm looking for my Kisii family. Hiyo kitu imenifinya sana.
Mako dilo gole.
She told me last week but one. She told me that. Aliniambia hiyo, she told me hivi one on one. Atwe niyo na kwanza David atwe washiaritwo kwa ni mugithi. So nikamwambia it's all right then maybe that's why tunakuaga vile tuko, it's okay. Kama Makisi it's okay. But ni odocio ni uhinyiriirie muno. Juyo mudocio aragucokia. Aragucokia thutha muno. Just
so how is life right now?
Life is so hard for me. Maisha ni marito pio as at now ndiri ondo hana ogwo muranyona it's like dire muoyo no kuhuhia ndirahuhia to ni ndiragiukira na at least ni ndiretikira gwithamba, although sometimes kama sitoki I don't want to shower ndio na fata wa mai. Even if I'll stay in the house for 2 days, nye digithamba. Siwezi. Yani
those are signs of depression.
Yeah, I will not. Unless ninatoka. That is when I'll have to go to the bathroom. But as long as niko kwa nyumba. And then ni marito muno juu nilikuwa nimeanza job biashara Januari. Leo biashara eno kiti ni dajiri. Biashara eno niyo kila kitu. Ndire na handu hangi ati ndirona mbeca cia kunyitirira. Leo kiria wona hau ni biashara njeru. The small wona hau nicio urie murie. Nicio gerie kani ukuriha nyumba iyo. Hindi yo nona ni ndoya muiritu tondu sister yakwa with epilepsy ndungimutige wiki. Nicio ici ciana ucio ni yani ni ndoya ni shukuru ucio ni tahira wakwa shukuru. Haha uyo ni wira mweru, you still nduri na customer. So igikinya handu ngiremu machine ciekuo cihingiritwo ku nyumba iyo. So ndiri undu ingika. So I'm there, okay, uria ni njethe wira wetha kurio mawira gutiri. Ugeciria ni machine cinyite nyendie no kwera Ngai aca icio ndikwendia to riu ningi ndendia. That is the only thing. Kiu nikio kindu kiria ingiuga giakwa.
Ni machine ciake
ni cia chipo. Ndina grill, ndina fryer, ndina display, ndina nyamu yo ya gutinia chipo. I have that. So far so good. Ni no toga wa Ngai. If I was dying now, utwekere sell what you have. Negwendia tunyamu tatu. Because that is all I'm holding. Nidirato nyitirira muno tondu ngauga riu ingiendia nyamu ta iciri at least ingenyikorwo na biashara. I can do this business if I have money. No riu nindendia gutigwo riu ningi ugu itari onaki. So life is challenging, Kate, I'm telling you. Tondu nie nidirokira, I don't remember the last time ndakomire ngeigania toro. Ni harakinyire handu nginya riu ndiranjia gukorwo na pressure na shukari.
Oh God.
Shukari na pressure ni rangia muno. In fact, ona nigetha nyeje njwiri no, I've had bad headaches. Ngariyo ni mutwe feel because I can't sleep. Ndigikoma, nie ndikomaga. Kate, me, I don't sleep. Kate, me, I'm this girl, I'm there. Always on my phone, I read things. I look at those kids, the way they sleep. Ciana icio ikomete hau nwe makomaga magakoma fiu. Ngauga riu maya matikomete o ni kumenya Waithera ho ucio ni magokira mari. Ngokira ndi mahiki. Iyo ni ndaririre muno ngiona andu magika shopping ya ciana ciao cia back to school. Me, I'm there. And I was like, Tahira akinjuria atiriri, "Mom, sisi tutasoma lini tondu na kigeranio kia last term they didn't." Matiekire. Tahira wakwa njuria magacoka kana nimegucoka cukuru ngimwira ndona mbeca ni mugucoka. Mwira God is there ni gutuhe ni mugucoka cukuru. So I don't know fate yako exactly in a lie wapi. I'm just there.
So ciana ni ciagirire gucoka thukuru?
Ciana ni ciagirire ni gucoka cukuru.
How much do you need? Ciana icoke thukuru? Ciana
icoke cukuru. Last time I didn't pay even anything. If I may tell you, Kate, ciana icio last time oko ni ciathomire muno. They walienda shule for 3 good weeks. Magathie wiki imwe makaigatwo. Mwalimu akaona ni maikara muno akahurira ngamwira Ngai ni eguka. Magacoka ningi makaigatwo. So the whole of last time I didn't pay anything. So riu icio ni aria ndungiuga ati to mathomire wiki ithatu ndukuriha. So for them to be in school, Sahila will need 10,000 last term and this term. Ian will need around 12,000 to be in school. Akorwo riu cukuru last term and this term. Nyumba nayo ni area. Nie ni ndamenyerire kuhingirwo nyumba. Every inaia okodi kuhingirwo mieri ira itakuhingirwo nyumba. Nituge ni ta mieri iri. But me for 10 months o mweri no nginya yambe ikirwo kufuri.
Riu thaicio ina arrears cia nyumba?
Yani kona last month I paid only 3,000. So I owe them 3,000 and this month gutikindu ndimarihite. Of which I know kuma tariki 10 ni manjagia riu kugia mundu riu
na ni umuthi
ni tariki 10 yeah. So food tuge kuria mi ni at the point I am now, I'm doing even laundry for people, at least to feed these kids to be no gina mali. Sometimes haipatikani, so whatever you get ukona ringi ni wathi wahura wari ho $350 ukaigira nyumba yo ndiri maguta ndiri shukari ndiri ukagayo karigwo ni atia. But I thank God to do despite all kuritu uguo mundu no arakiyumia nie ni njukiraga rimwe ngai ngomete hau ngarora shume yo ya that bawe yo riri. Sometimes nasema wacha nijishikanishe na hii sasa. Ninaamka ndirokira where do I start ruto ni gwakia ndirokira thiiko ni gwakia ici ni ciana uyu ni ni ndiwe maroka kugutha murango thaa cigana ndi wao ngaigua tu ndini ngacoka ngarora ciana icio ngauga uyu ni mwana wakwa ndakua ngotigira mwana uyu wakwa ni ndatigeirwo aria ndatigeirwo na I didn't get that life at no nyende mwana wakwa agerere ruo ruu ngarora tahira ngeumia ngacoka ngarora Ian ngarora mamu wao and no one will call you akure ni wakioire kafurai muikaraga atia ke gutumire matano mayai ono au muthi mugure no they are just there, you see. So
so basically right now uguo riu uhana what would you want? Nete ugienda as much as ugienda ngai agwikire no hari na andu nete ugienda what is so important right now for
what
you?
is so important thaici ngai korwo no njigwe tu na nitwaritie na ningwirite ona itakwirite no aroi nyikiti thaici korwo ni ngorwo ati nyumba teyo yakwa ni ndihe ciana icio ikorwo ci kirathi na ciana icio ikorwo ci na irio na njoke haria wira-ini ngorwo mweri ucio ni ndaingira ndire na thiri ndinaguo handu nona riu ni ndacoka wira. I start now from there. I would work. Nimeingia tu hivyo niko na food atitikiria ndendio muthi nikio ngucoka huthire fare na nyinuke ciana icio ithiirie muthenya uyu ungi ona ngiukira ndire fare ya guthii hau at least ngorwo ni ndanjia. It's like nimeanza fresh kwena irio nyumba koguo kiria ndirona it's business now. Ni ndona ici nicio ndathukuma ni ndarutithania oko ni kindu ngongerera rucio no ti kiria ndona nikio ndoka kugura irio nakio nikio kinjetereire. Unashinda hapo saa zingine keti chipo na wendia ithatu mau ni $300 maya nimo ndihuthira fare nimo metereirwo gwakwa nyumba. Ugiukira muthenya uyu nginduri kindu waru icio uragurite bucket iyo $900 by the time mathire huna ya kununua huna urakigura naki utanunua ni tondu
maybe ni kuri mundu ungikorwo na wira no ende gukuhe wira akwandike wira do you have any option no ringa biashara na wira ningiona mundu ungihe wira at least I would work for months niguruta nigetha ona ndecokanireria ri at least no hakinye handu nyone whatever I have is enough for my needs and for me to restart my business. I would still do that. Ona ciana ikorwo ci thukuru makome na irio na at least I can sleep ngimenyaga ngokira rucio ciana ciukira ithie cukuru cina irio na nie ni ngokira guthie handu but not riu ngomaga yani it's like I'm dead nita ndi mukukite you know. Pressure no rageire ri na sukari ni uranywa dawa tariu hindi ndathire they did insulin.
Oh God. They did insulin tondu yari iguru muno and then ndahirwo riu tutawa tutwa pressure so they are now already I know the feeling I get riu to gugitengera hau chemist ugathi ugetia ka dawa ka pressure waigwa because you will feel now you're sweating your hot your head githigwe jajwire no ri ndaritwo ni mutwe ka nguguruka Ngiciria kana nginya nĩ ta njuĩrĩ ta ici nĩ ciake.
I know.
Nĩ ta yake.
I know.
Ngĩthiĩ kĩnyũthima ni nyoe inywele ndikwenda kĩndũ kĩrandia niĩ mũtwe. Yeah.
You've gone through a lot. Nĩ ũgereire maũndũ maritũ mũno. Na ngwenda gũkwĩra o ũndũ ũmwe tu. As much as ũngĩkorwo ũmenete Ngai, ũkona rĩmwe ũtakũbĩrĩte, nĩ gũgũtunya aciari wĩ mũnini, rĩmwe ona ndũĩ wĩ wanakũ, ndũĩ nĩ kũrĩ. You don't have your identity. No nĩ kũrĩ Ngai ũheaga mũndũ identity. Na nĩ kũrĩ Ngai ũcenjagia rũgano rwa mũndũ. I know for sure atĩ Ngai nĩ acenjagia rũgano rwa mũndũ. I know, and I can tell you that for free. Regardless ya maũndũ marĩa wonete, regardless ya mathĩna marĩa ũgereire, regardless ya kũrarĩra, regardless ya kũhũthĩrwo nĩ arũme, there is God in heaven who changes stories. Akoya ng'ano icio ciothe, akoya tũcunjĩ twa ngoro yaku, the broken pieces, agatũnyitithania, agagũtua kĩndũ. Just as I told you before, I want you to hold on to faith. We tu cuhĩrĩra tu wĩtĩkio tu. And I told you, o ngoro ndũrĩ na wĩtĩkio wa kũigana, walk with my faith. To niĩ nĩ njũĩ kũna nĩ kũrĩ Ngai ũcenjagia rũgano. And today, I'm very sure atĩ Ngai nĩ egũcenjia rũgano rwaku. Nĩ kũrĩ hĩndĩ ũrĩrora ũguo thutha uge thengiũ Ngai nĩ tondũ wa kũingĩra platform-inĩ ya Keri Jijo official. I know, no wage kuona thaa ici, no wage kĩndũ ũngĩrora, ona no wage kĩndũ ũngĩnyitĩrĩra. There is nothing to hold on. Warora ciana icio ũkona no kaba mũkuĩte, warora ũkeaga. When you look at your past ũkona nĩ njũru pio, we ona ndũrĩ wathi gũkorwo ũkĩrũgama mbere ya andũ. But I tell you for sure, there is a God in heaven who will change your story. And I promise you one thing, I will walk with you. I will hold your hand. Nĩ ngũtwarana nawe, nĩ ngũkũnyita guoko, na ndirari ũguo kwĩyugithia ũrĩa andũ meyugithagia. I will hold your hand. Na I know that from today you have become a prayer item thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wakwa. Nĩ gatagatĩ ka indo iria hoyagĩra o mũthenya, nĩ watuĩka prayer item ya gũkũhoera nginya rĩrĩa ndĩtigĩrĩra ndona atĩ Ngai nĩ acenjia rũgano rwaku. So ndũkakue ngoro, ndũkeyũrage, ndũkorage ciana, ndũkeyũrie ciũria. Forget about it. Rĩu gũtirĩ ũndũ mũnene ũtonete, nĩ wonete gĩkuũ, nĩ wonete kũhũthĩrwo, nĩ wonete all that life nĩ wonete. But there is yet another life that you have not seen. The life that God is coming to give you. Ĩyo nduonete. You have no idea ũrĩa Ngai aroka gũgwĩkĩra. The tears you are crying today, rũciũ magakorwo me maithori ma gũcokia ngatho, me maithori ma gĩkeno, me maithori ma kuga onei ũrĩa Ngai ekĩte. So I just want you to hold on to faith. Now, I'm really sorry for what you have gone through. But your tomorrow is better. Ngai ũrĩa ũkũigĩte nginya thaa ici. Ngai ũrĩa wanatũma ũkome street-inĩ ũkaga kũragwo. Ngai ũrĩa wanatũma ũnyue njohi ũkaga gũkua. Ngai ũrĩa wanatũma ũhũthĩrwo nĩ arũme ũkaga kũrwara. The same God has not finished with your story. No arandĩka. No kapage ahumbũrĩtio ũguo. No areka atĩa? So, ngwenda ũrore kamera ĩno Nancy. It is okay to cry. It is okay not to be okay. Mundu ndakana kwĩria atĩ ti sawa. It is okay when you are not feeling okay. Na nĩ ngũcokeria Ngai ngatho tondũ ona niĩ ũrona haha mũthenya ũmwe ndaikarire ũguo ngĩrĩra maithori ta macio ũrarĩra, and God changed my story. The same God who did it to me will still do it for you, Nancy.
Amen.
So ngwenda ũrore kamera ĩno. Arĩria andũ aya na language tu o ĩrĩa ũngĩhota kũmarĩria nayo. Mere haha thĩinĩ hena aciari aku, hena sister ciaku, hena brother ingi ciaku hena ciana ingi cianyu Ngai egukuhe. There is a family that God is going to give you from today. Ni kuri na family Ngai egwikira murigo ni undu wa I don't know how, I don't know who, no ndanakorwo ndina andu ngatwarana nao ngona Ngai akimokira na thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu. You will not be rejected again.
Amen.
Muturire ndugukurega ringi. And from today in the name of Jesus tugutangatha favor iguru ria muturire waku. Instead of shame Ngai agucenjanirie. Ni acenjanie thoni icio. Ni acenjanie kieha kiu. Akuhe kindu kingi tumotheke. Ngai ni kuri family akuigeire haha na rugano ruru rwaku nguthaitha Ngai na rikorwo rwagwa matu-ini ma mundu acenjie destiny yaku. Na rikorwo tu rwagwa tu matu-ini ma mundu aruthikiririe tu uguo aigue. Ngai akuiguire thatu from all over the world. Ngai akuiguire thatu na acenjie rugano rwaku. Na ni njui ati ni tugoka haha one day one time o kamera-ini ici tuge uria Ngai ekire na muturire waku. Ngondoro ria andu aya Nancy amidst the tears marore andu aya maririe aririe tari muciari waku urariria haha muciari urio tageire aririe tari mwana wa nyuku urariria haha aririe tari muru wa nyuku urariria haha. Talk to these people mere.
Okay, ni wote mna watch from everywhere, every part where you're watching us from. I have one request. If anyone has a job, please bless me with it. I will work as if I will never work again because I have some responsibilities with me. I have a sister to take care of. I have a baby. I have a son to take care of. Also, you are there. If God touches you, usikie tu. Unaweza tu ni sponsor, just sponsor that son or my sister. I won't ask for on my favor ya mtoto wangu. But to your son, do it for me. Sponsor him at least akiwa tu shule. Niona wako igato. Wako na igato. It's okay. But wa sister oyo wako takihota kwikira undu wi hau. Reke agakoragwo cukuru. Tondu mamu wao ni arikenaga muona ndari hau. Tondu ndingimenya sister yako ciragia atia. If anyone can do it for me, I'll appreciate so much. And also kama unaweza tu Mungu akuguze usikie ni biashara utaniamshia, I'll also be grateful because I love working. Me, I love cooking. So nikiwa hapo, if I'm making those chips, nikitengeneza hizo samosa, when I'm doing those things with my hands, I feel so good. Na pia mtuombe sana. Mkiomba, pray for everyone. Mkiomba ombea mtu yote unajua hana mzazi. Being an orphan is not a joke. And also if you are an aunt there or an uncle, na kuna tu watoto waliachwa mahali na sisterko ama brotherko, love those kids. We need love. Tunapenda tu kupendwa na kuonyeshwa we are able. Don't push us away. Alafu msitubebeshe mizigo za wazazi wetu. It's painful. It pains when we are called names with the things our parents did. Tupendeni tu. Tunatakaga tu kupendwa. Some of us, we love to hustle for ourselves. So your prayers will do. Maombi yenyu itatushikilia. But ireria mwatũthimĩkania naku tukahinyĩrĩrĩka, tukagerera maũndũ tutari na mũndũ wa gũthikũrĩrĩra. Na ti atĩ nĩ tũmũmenete. Sawa, thank you so much.
Mwiroreri wa Jijo official. Maũndũ mamwe nĩ marituhaga na tukarigwo tungika atia. But I know of a God who changes our stories. No tukorwo na ruo ruingi na sometimes maundu maria na matukoraga metha-ini ici ni turemagwo kwĩgirĩria tondu some of us are product of grace. Some of us ni tugereire maundu ta macio, maruo ta macio maingĩ muno, no Ngai agoka agacenjia rugano rwitu. No ukorwo wi hau na no wende gucenjia rugano rwa Nancy, mutuikire uteithio. Ciugo no ciage cia kuigana uria tungiuga, no wi hau Ngai no akuhutie witikire tugucenjia rugano rwa Nancy na witikire hihi gutuika a destiny helper. Kei tumunyitirire tu atige gucoka street-ini, atige gucoka njohi-ini, nigetha onake aigue she is part of the society. Na inyu family aria mutiganagiria ciana ona iria ciatigwo, kumuthaitha tu ta uria mutangienda ciana cianyu ciekwo, ta uria mutangienda ciana cianyu irumwo, cietanio kana cietwo maritwa hindi iria mutariho, tiga gutua kana gwita mwana wa mundu uria ungi utariho maritwa. Ngai ni aiguaga uru hindi iria ciana cia ndigwa cikurira, hindi iria cikurira iria itigitwo itari na maithe mao na itari na manyina, iria riria cikurira Ngai ni aiguaga ruo. Tigirai tunyitirire ciana ici na mwitikire tucenjie rugano rwao. Nancy ni ukuheana namba ciaku cia thimu ni tondu wa mundu ungienda gukuhurira na mundu ungienda gukwariria.
0741 626 331.
Shokera namba iyo ringi
0741 626 331.
Ni njui Ngai ni gucenjia rugano ruru. Ni ng'ano imwe cia iria ciana korwo cina ruo muno hindi iria ngucithikiriria, na ni ndiretikia ati Ngai uria utugaruragira maritwa maitu ni ekugarura ritwa na garure muturire wa Nancy. Na we hau muthikiriria witu, Ngai witu arokurathima ni tondu wa gwitikira guikarania hamwe na ithui, na ni wega kwaragia, ndugetikire hau guikara hau ukue ukatutwaranirie tondu I'm very sure muthenya wa umuthi Nancy uguo okire tiguo gucoka ahana, tondu ona kwaria ni therapeutic, ni therapy ya kwaria tu, akarira maithori maciararira. Ni ndiretikia ati no kuri undu Ngai witu egwika. Ni tukumunyitira na tukumunyita guoko, we will walk with her, na nginya tutigirire ati ni arugama na maguru make, na ni gwitikia ati inyue no mugutuika uteithio na ni mugututuikira uteithio ona muturire-ini uyu wa Nancy. Ngai witu aromurathima. Namba yakwa ndicenjetie ni 0722 278742 0722 278742. Ngai witu amwike wega na mugithie kunyitirira aria angi, ona inyue mwathani aromutumira andu akomunyitirira nigetha mutikanaingire ruo-ini, ciana cianyu itikainaingire ruo-ini. Na ngwenda gukwira muthenya wa umuthi kiria ungihota kuruta unyitirire Nancy ni kigongona wahanda gia ciana ciaku citikanagere maruo-ini ta mau cia muturire waku, nigetha ndugakue utige ciana ciaku tene matuko maku matari makinyu. Itikira tu gutuika uteithio, nake Ngai ni egutuikira uteithio muturire-ini waku. Ngai witu amurathime na mwike wega o nginya hindi iria turicemania video-ini wengi urotuika kirathimo kuri mundu, nake Ngai agutuikire kirathimo. Mwathani amurathime na muteithie in the name of God the Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit. Thank you so much and shalom.